I will be showing you how to make cowboy cookies. You put 12 tablespoons of butter, 3/4 of sugar, 3/4 cup of brown sugar. While all that is mixing, you preheat the oven to 350. When the sugar and butter is all fluffy, add 2 eggs and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Put all the dry ingredients to a separate bowl. 1½ cups of flour, 1¼ teaspoon baking powder, 3/4 teaspoon salt, 1½ teaspoon of cinnamon. Stir all the dry ingredients with a whisk. Add all the dry stuff to your wet mixture, and then you mix. 1½ cup of oats, 1 cup shredded coconut, 1½ cup chocolate chips, 1 cup of chopped pecans. Now you mix. Get a spoonful for each cookie and put it on the cookie sheet. Put them in the oven for about 10 to 12 minutes.